Why does cooking suddenly look this fun again? I honestly wasn't expecting these Amazon kitchen gadgets to be this satisfying, but gadget number 6 made me want to use it immediately, and number 24 somehow turned cooking into pure entertainment. Maximize your sink space with the 1/9 magnetic drainage filter basket. This punch-free, triangular strainer easily attaches with strong magnets and keeps your corner tidy. The twist-open bottom makes cleaning effortless, while the durable design handles scraps, food, and debris. Comes as a 2-pack, smart, space-saving, and hassle-free. Organize your kitchen neatly with the Nesapto 4-tier wood spice rack organizer. Designed to hold up to 28 spice jars, this stylish vertical rack works perfectly on countertops, cabinets, or walls. Durable, space-saving, and easy to install, all for just $25. Maximize your kitchen space with this 30-inch magnetic stove top shelf, designed for smart, clutter-free organization. The strong magnetic base attaches securely to the back of your stove, no drilling or tools needed. Made from heat-resistant, flexible silicone, it safely holds spices, oils, and seasonings within easy reach. This over-the-stove spice rack keeps countertops clear and cleans up effortlessly with a quick wipe. Simple to install, easy to clean, and perfectly sized, an instant upgrade for a more organized kitchen. Keep your kitchen fresh and smoke-free with the stylish AirHood portable kitchen exhaust fan. Featuring activated charcoal air filters, a stainless steel oil filter, and a compact portable design, it's perfect for indoor cooktops, apartments, and small kitchens. Easy to clean and powerful enough to reduce smoke and odors fast. All for just $120. Upgrade your kitchen prep with the 4-in-1 French fry cutter. This manual hand-powered tool quickly cuts perfect fries, dices onions, slices apples, and chops vegetables with ease. Featuring 4 interchangeable blades, it delivers fast, uniform results every time, no electricity needed. Durable, easy to use, and easy to clean, it's the perfect kitchen gadget for saving time while preparing fresh meals at home. Create healthy homemade snacks with the Elite Gourmet Yefty 319 Food Dehydrator. Featuring 5 BPA-free trays and adjustable temperature controls, it's perfect for making jerky, dried fruits, vegetables, herbs, and more. Easy to use, compact, and great for healthy snacking. All for just $35. Make food prep quick and effortless with the crafty crocodile egg slicer for hard-boiled eggs. Featuring 3 slicing modes, this heavy-duty kitchen tool delivers perfect slices every time. The sharp stainless steel wires easily cut eggs, strawberries, mushrooms, grapes, and cherry tomatoes with a simple press. Durable, easy to use, and compact in design, it's the perfect kitchen chopper for salads, snacks, and everyday meal prep. Crack and separate eggs quickly with the stainless steel automatic egg cracker and separator. This creative handheld tool easily opens eggs and separates egg whites with less mess and more convenience. Durable, easy to use, and perfect for baking and cooking. All for just $15. Mini USB electric garlic masher. Easy use, powerful product size. 3.94 by 4.53. Just manually put food or ingredients into the 60W powerful vegetable chopper. Lock the lid and chop food quickly with one button. Garlic chopper with 4 stainless steel 304 sharp blades. Only needs 20s, can automatic and evenly chop / mince / blend a wide variety of foods, saving you time and freeing your hands. USB charging portable. The rechargeable electric garlic chopper supports USB charging. Handheld cordless mincer can be used about 50 times after full charged. This 250 milliliters portable food processor features compact volume and satisfied the needs when traveling or camping. Easy clean, IPX65 waterproof. Our 250 milliliters large capacity food chopper can be rinsed directly with water after use. Measure ingredients with perfect accuracy using the electronic digital measuring spoon scale. Featuring a clear LCD display and 5 measurement units, this high-precision kitchen gadget is perfect for baking, coffee, spices, pet food, and more. Compact, easy to use, and budget-friendly, all for just $10. Electric hot pot. Multifunction electric pot. Uliki Hot Pot Electric is equipped with dual power regulation functions, 300W and 600W. You can choose the desired power freely. At 300W power, the rapid ramen cooker is perfect to make oatmeal, spaghetti, and eggs. When you cook soup or hot pot, you can switch to the high power of 600W. The shabu shabu pot can provide you with a variety of choices for your daily meals. Easy to clean and non-stick coating. The surface of the noodle cooker is made of a food-grade non-stick coating, which can keep food from sticking, which can cook healthy food with less oil. After cooking, the surface of the portable electric hot pot can be easily cleaned with water and a sponge to meet all your expectations of deliciousness. Upgrade your kitchen with the premium Ravati RVH 82-22-33-inch undermount workstation kitchen sink. Crafted from durable 16-gauge stainless steel, this spacious single-bowl sink features a built-in workstation design with a cutting board and handy accessories for efficient meal prep and cleanup. The brushed finish helps hide scratches while adding a sleek modern look, combining style, durability, and functionality for just $649. Grind your spices and herbs effortlessly with the Mamba electric grinder. This USB rechargeable, portable 1G metal grinder makes seasoning quick and easy. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for fresh herbs, spices, and even small seeds in the kitchen. Quick to use, easy to clean, and built for convenience. Fresh flavors anytime, anywhere. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with the El Fico hanging trash can with lid. This 2.5-gallon compact bin is perfect for undersink, cupboard, or countertop use. Wall-mounted or freestanding, it saves space while the secure lid locks in odors. Durable, modern, and convenient, it's an ideal solution for everyday kitchen waste and compost. Spread cold butter effortlessly with the Sango heating butter knife spreader. This rechargeable cordless knife heats up in just 6 seconds and quickly melts butter, jam, coconut oil, and more for smooth spreading every time. Featuring a non-stick stainless steel blade and safety lock switch, it's perfect for kitchens, restaurants, and parties. All for just $20. Make opening jars, bottles, and cans effortless with the 2026 4-in-1 jar opener. Adjustable and made from durable stainless steel, it's perfect for seniors and anyone with arthritis. This versatile kitchen tool fits multiple sizes, giving you a safe, easy grip and saving time and effort in the kitchen. Cook hot meals anywhere with the portable ZoneTech 12V portable non-stick saucepan. Featuring rapid heating, a durable non-stick 2-quart pot, stay-cool handles, and a glass lid, it's perfect for camping, road trips, picnics, and travel cooking. Compact, convenient, and easy to use. All for just $39. Upgrade your kitchen prep with this Acacia cutting board meal prep system. Featuring built-in containers with lids for interchangeable graters and 2 plastic boards for meat, it keeps prep organized and mess-free. Juice grooves capture liquids, while the durable design makes chopping, grating, and storing food faster and cleaner. An all-in-one prep station for any kitchen. Kitchen drainer basket. 2-in-1 collapsible colander. Rodigun's colander strainer basket set of 2 contains a basket and a colander. Get the versatility with this strainer bowl and colander set. Use them together for a convenient straining solution, or use them separately for unique kitchen tasks. A 3QT colander is suitable for rinsing or draining vegetables and fruits, or thawing frozen food. Make fresh, healthy baby meals in seconds with the baby food maker with glass bowl and stainless steel blades. Featuring durable 316 stainless steel blades, a BPA-free design, and a one-step blending system, it easily prepares smooth purees for babies 6+ months. Safe, dishwasher-friendly, and perfect for every stage of weaning. All for just $33. Create delicious crepes, pancakes, and more with the NutriChef electric crepe maker griddle. Its 12-inch non-stick surface ensures even cooking and easy cleanup, while adjustable temperature control gives you perfect results every time. With LED indicators and included wooden spatula and batter spreader, It's everything you need for quick, hassle-free cooking at home. Make fun, homemade treats with the mini donut maker machine. Designed for kid-friendly breakfasts, snacks, and desserts, it makes 7 cute donuts at once with a fun donut print. The non-stick surface ensures easy release and quick cleanup, making every sweet moment simple, safe, and delicious. Cast iron smashed burger press. Heavy-duty cast iron. 6.5 cast iron burger press ensures even pressure, creating juicy, flavorful smashed burgers every time. Perfect smash burger crust. Flat edge helps achieve crispy, caramelized edges for that classic smash burger taste. Versatile smashing. Ideal for use on griddles, skillets, and grills, making it perfect for both indoor cooking and outdoor cookouts. Easy to clean. This hamburger smasher tool can be cleaned by hand washing with warm water and mild soap for quick and hassle-free cleanup. Prep vegetables faster with the 2-in-1 pepper seed corer remover. Designed for quick, clean cuts, it easily removes seeds from bell peppers, zucchini, tomatoes, and more. Simple to use and efficient, this handy kitchen tool saves time and makes everyday cooking easier. The Joseph Nest 6-piece knife and cutting board set is the perfect space-saving solution for a modern kitchen. It includes high-quality stainless steel knives and color-coded cutting boards to help prevent cross-contamination while cooking. Each board is clearly labeled for different food types, making meal prep safer and more organized. Everything nests neatly into a compact storage stand, keeping your countertop clean and clutter-free. Stylish, practical, and durable, this set is ideal for everyday home cooking. Upgrade your kitchen with this 4-in-1 colander with bowl set. Perfect for washing rice, pasta, fruits, and vegetables, it works as a strainer, cleaner, and serving bowl in one. Stylish, durable, and easy to use, it's an aesthetic cooking essential and a thoughtful gift for any modern kitchen. Experience power and precision with the Pliss Kitchen Meat Cleaver Knife. Crafted from professional stainless steel, this unique, effort-saving design makes cutting meat and vegetables smooth and efficient. Balanced for comfort and control, it's durable, sharp, and built for everyday cooking. A perfect gift for fathers, mothers, and anyone who loves spending time in the kitchen. Make dishwashing faster and cleaner with this 2-in-1 dish soap dispenser with sponge holder. Designed as a smart kitchen gadget, it dispenses the perfect amount of soap with a simple press, reducing waste and mess. The built-in sponge holder keeps your sink area neat and organized, while the compact design fits perfectly on any countertop. Durable, easy to refill, and convenient for daily use, this sink organizer helps keep your kitchen tidy while making every wash quicker and more efficient. Keep your sink clean and clog-free with the kitchen sink strainer with 200 mesh filter bags. Featuring a convenient basket holder and disposable mesh filter bags, it easily catches food scraps and leftovers for quick cleanup. Simple, hygienic, and perfect for every kitchen. All for just $17. Enjoy fresh corn the easy way with the Chef and Cob Plus corn stripper and peeler. This smart kitchen tool quickly removes kernels from the cob in one smooth motion, saving time and reducing mess. The built-in safety pusher keeps your hands protected while ensuring maximum kernel removal. Its compact, ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand and is simple to use for both home cooks and beginners. Perfect for salads, salsas, soups, and side dishes, this corn stripper delivers clean results in seconds. A must-have gadget for fast, safe, and effortless corn prep every time. Make fresh prep quick and easy with the Cuisinart 3-quart salad spinner. Designed to wash, spin, and dry salad greens, fruits, and vegetables in one simple tool, it removes excess water fast for crisp results. The smooth spinning action is easy to use and perfect for everyday meals. Compact yet efficient, it's a must-have kitchen essential for healthier, fresher cooking. Simplify your cooking with this 5-piece kitchen gadget set, designed for everyday convenience and space-saving storage. This all-in-one set includes a fruit and vegetable peeler, cheese and chocolate grater, bottle opener, pizza cutter, and a garlic and ginger grinder. Each tool is easy to use, comfortable to hold, and perfect for quick meal prep. Ideal for small kitchens or as a thoughtful gift, this kitchen accessories set helps you cook faster, stay organized, and enjoy hassle-free cooking every day. Grate, shred, and zest with ease using the Lantana stainless steel cheese grater with container. Featuring 6 essential grating functions from fine to coarse, a built-in container with lid, and a sturdy stainless steel design, it keeps your kitchen clean and efficient. Compact, versatile, and easy to use. All for just $18. The OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 egg separator makes separating eggs quick and mess-free. It easily separates yolks from whites, cracks eggs, and strains shells in one simple tool. The soft, non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip for easy control. Perfect for baking and everyday cooking, this compact tool saves time and keeps your kitchen clean. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with the large extendable dish drying rack. Featuring an adjustable design that expands from 16.93 inch to 26.57. This heavy-duty steel rack fits almost any sink and offers plenty of space for dishes, utensils, and cookware. Complete with a multifunctional drain board for easy water flow, it's the perfect countertop organizer. All for just $40. Serve desserts in style with the Funtry 300-pack mini dessert cups with spoons. Perfect for pudding, parfaits, ice cream, and appetizers, these reusable clear cups add elegance to weddings, birthdays, and parties. Convenient, durable, and party-ready. All for just $33. Make movie night snacks fast and fun with the Elite Gourmet EPM 330M automatic stirring popcorn maker. This 12-cup popcorn maker features automatic stirring for evenly popped kernels, a built-in reversible serving bowl, and a handy measuring cap for perfect portions every time. Safe, easy to use, and perfect for home parties and kids. All in a stylish mint design for just $26. Enjoy healthy cooking and soothing drinks with the Health Pot 1.5L double-layer glass electric kettle. This 9-in-1 programmable kettle lets you make soup, porridge, herbal tea, and more with ease. Featuring a stylish glass touch panel, stainless steel base, and double-layer glass design, it combines elegance and convenience for only $70. Make perfect homemade pizza with the aluminum metal pizza peel with rocker cutter. Featuring a durable 12-inch by 14-inch aluminum pizza peel, a sharp 14-inch rocker cutter, and a foldable wooden handle for easy storage. Perfect for indoor and outdoor ovens, this all-in-one pizza tool set helps you slide, serve, and slice like a pro. Grab this must-have pizza accessory for just $20. Open stubborn lids effortlessly with the 2-piece adjustable stainless steel jar opener. Designed for weak hands, seniors, and arthritis relief, this durable metal opener adjusts to fit jars, bottles, and tight lids of all sizes. The non-slip grip provides extra leverage, making opening easy and pain-free. Portable, vintage style, and built to last. This smart kitchen gadget turns tough lids into a simple twist.